garlic cheesy dinner rolls. This week's weekly dish winner. You want to see how I made them? Let's go.
Come on.
Hello OFT family. Today the weekly dish winner was a garlic buttery cheese dinner roll. So let's get started. I've got my KitchenAid out for this one. So I'm going to add 4 cups of flour to my bowl. Add it all in there without getting sprayed. 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We've got 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Got a teaspoon of salt. We've got 2 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Add that in. And then we've got 3/4 of a cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Add that to the bowl. All right. And we're just gonna give it a quick little mix. Lock her down. Get her mixed in together there. It's gonna be good, guys. All right, so to that, we are going to add a cup of warm buttermilk. And then we've got a 1/4 of a cup of warm water. And then we've got 1 large room temperature egg. Crack that in there. All right. Let's give that a mix. A little too fast for me, folks. And this is gonna mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until it comes together. You can mix it on low. And once it starts coming together a little bit, we're gonna add in 6 tablespoons of very soft butter. I put mine in the microwave a little bit to get it extra soft. It got a little melty, which I think is okay. Once it starts looking shaggy, we are going to add our butter. Put the rest of your butter in there. It's smelling good already, guys. And this is going to knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. And I'll be back whenever that's done. Okay, folks, we are back. Our dough has kneaded for 8 minutes. I'm going to pull her off the dough hook and put her in a oiled bowl. I'm going to cover her and then let her rise for about 60 to 75 minutes. I'm going to put her in my oven with it off and the light on. I'll be back when I show you when it's done. Okay, we are back. My dough has doubled in size, as you can see. It was sitting in an oven off with the light on. So we are going to pull this dough out on a clean work surface. It should fall right out of the bowl, just like that. It smells really good, folks. It smells like garlic cheese. All right, so we are going to spread this out into a rectangle. All right, let me get some flour, folks. It's a little sticky. Let's put it on my hands and just make this into a rectangle. And you're going to divide this into 12 parts. I'm using a bench scraper to divide this out. You could weigh them, or you can eyeball it like me. We are eyeballing these. Get some flour on your hands. And take a piece of the dough and kind of roll it in your hands. Roll it on the counter until it's a smooth ball. So we're going to do these, all 12 of the dinner rolls. See that? See how smooth the top is? And we are going to place these, pinch the bottoms a little bit just so they come together. And we are going to put these in a greased 9x13, put them back in here. You don't want them to touch. Line this up, and then it's gonna rise again for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna put it right back in the oven with the light on. I'll be back when that process is done. All right, so my rolls have risen. Once they touch each other, you're good. So I'm gonna take the plastic off. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Take a little bit more Parmesan, just kind of sprinkle over each one. You could add more later when they come out, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out, and we brush them with some more garlic butter. We are out of the oven. Look how poofy they got. They look really good. So guys, in this bowl I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter with a teaspoon of garlic powder. So we are going to just brush this all over these dinner rolls and make them even better than what they are. This house smells so good. It just smells like garlic and Parmesan. And they got really, really poofy. That's why when you put them in the pan, guys, you don't want them touching, because when they bake, they're gonna become best friends.
That's a butter man.
It is a butter man. What's a dinner roll without garlic butter? I don't know. All right. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more Parmesan cheese.
Cheese.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit balls. This calls for holy shit balls, guys. Look at these dinner rolls. That's my son coming down the stairs. So let's give one a try. Oh! All right, which one do I want? Okay, we're gonna get this little guy right here. They feel really soft too. This is definitely gonna burn my face off, but you know what? It's all part of the experience, folks. On the plate. And I want to give a shout out. I got this recipe from Salty Sprig. She made a cinnamon sugar one of these, and then she made the garlic cheesy one. So let's break this open. Break this open for you guys, and you can be able to see the steam. They're super soft. You see the steam coming out of them? Ow. Let's give her a taste. These are delicious. They're just filled with garlic and Parmesan cheese and the melted butter on top. So this was a great weekly meal winner for sure. Make these dinner rolls for your family. You will not regret it. They are delicious, somewhat easy. Try them. They're delicious. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.